In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital clock in Microsoft Excel. This is a very simple setup, and it's a great little trick if you want to display the current time directly inside a worksheet. You don't need any advanced formulas or special tools for this. Everything can be done with a basic built-in Excel function and a quick formatting change. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want your digital clock to appear. Once your sheet is open, click the cell where you want the clock to be displayed. For example, you can use cell A1, but you can place it anywhere that makes sense for your layout. With that cell selected, type the formula equals now, followed by open and close parentheses. This formula tells Excel to return the current date and time based on your computer's system clock. After entering the formula, press enter. As soon as you do, Excel will display a value in that cell. At first, you'll notice that the result shows both the current date and the current time. That's completely normal because the now function is designed to include both. If your goal is to make it look like a digital clock, the next step is to format the cell so it shows only the time. Click back on the cell containing the formula so it is selected again. Then go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. In the number group, look for the number format drop-down list. This is where Excel lets you control how values appear without changing the formula itself. Open that drop-down list and choose time. Once you select time, the cell will update and display only the time portion of the now formula. This gives you a clean digital clock effect right inside your worksheet. If you want, you can later make it more visible by increasing the font size or adjusting the cell alignment, but the actual clock setup is already complete at this point. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that this clock is based on Excel's recalculation behavior, so the displayed time may update when the sheet recalculates or when changes are made in the workbook. Even so, for a quick and easy clock display, this method works really well, and that's all it takes to create a digital clock in Microsoft Excel.